In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide hidden groups in Notion. If you work with grouped database views in Notion like boards, timelines, or tables, you've probably seen sections that don't contain any pages. These are empty groups. Notion has improved how hidden groups work, so they're much less visible by default. But you might still notice a hidden groups label, especially when you are using collapsed columns. Today, I'll show you how to keep your views clean by automatically hiding empty groups. And I'll explain what that lingering label means so nothing catches you off guard. Start by opening the database view where you've applied grouping. This could be a board grouped by a select property, a table grouped by status, or any view where items are organized into separate groups. Look for the Group Settings menu in your database view controls. Depending on your layout, you'll see a group option near the top of the view toolbar. Click into that to access the settings for how your groups display. Inside the group settings, find the option labeled Hide Empty Groups. Toggle this on. The moment you enable it, Notion will automatically remove any groups that don't contain data from your visible view. Nothing is deleted, those groups still exist conceptually and will reappear as soon as an item matches them. This simply cleans up your workspace by showing only what's relevant right now. This setting is especially helpful for large databases where properties have many possible values, but only a few are in use at any given time. It helps you focus on the groups that currently matter, keeps noise to a minimum, and makes scanning and filtering much faster. If you are collaborating with others, it also ensures teammates see a more streamlined, consistent layout without having to manually collapse or rearrange anything. Now, about that hidden groups label you might still see. Even with the improved behavior, Notion may display a small hidden groups indicator when you have columns collapsed in certain views. This doesn't mean the hide function isn't working. It's just a visual cue that there are groups not currently shown due to the layout. Think of it as a heads up rather than something you need to fix. Your empty groups are still hidden as intended, and your data is unaffected. Remember, hide empty groups is a display preference. It won't change or remove your content. It simply keeps your views tidy by automatically tucking away groups with no entries. That's it, quick, effective, and a cleaner workspace right away. Thanks for watching.